This is the best way to make Tuscan sausage in the pressure cooker. First we add oil to the pan and then we add 9 slices of Tuscan sausage. First, we're going to let these sausages fry, and when they're nicely browned underneath, we're going to stir them and turn them over so that they fry on the other side too. And while our sausages are finishing frying here, we'll cut up the potatoes. Here I have 5 medium-sized potatoes, and I'm going to cut them into medium-sized pieces and set them aside. And look how beautifully browned they are. This sausage is going to be delicious. And when it's browned all over, let's add some spices. Next, add a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of chimichurri, black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of lemon pepper. But this seasoning will make our sausages even more delicious. Look at the incredible color. Imagine how good it tastes from here. Now we can add the chopped potatoes, and we'll saute them here with the sausage. Let's stir a little. And now we'll add 200 milliliters of tomato sauce and stir again. Now just cover the pressure cooker, and there's no need to add water. Let it cook for 8 minutes after it comes under pressure, and our potatoes with sausage are ready. Look how it turned out. What a treat! Now I'm going to remove the potatoes and set aside. Once that's done, we'll add a sliced onion, some chopped garlic, and let the onion saute for a while with the sausages. After sauteing the sausages well with the onion, return the potatoes to the pan and stir again. To make it even better, add salt without chopped chives. The amount is up to taste, and look how delicious it is. These sausages with potatoes are perfect. Now all you have to do is serve it up. I'm serving it with rice and it's delicious. Look at this, it's mouth-watering. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye-bye.